Hi, and welcome to Market Conversations. Today, I'm going to be talking a little bit about Bed Bath & Beyond. Well, we had another red day on Friday. It was down over 4%. But before I continue, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. So I have 6 months daily chart open here. You can see that back in February, the stock went to a high of $7. So this was before they announced that they were going to raise $1 billion because they are not going to file for bankruptcy. And then ever since then, it's just been selling off. So right now, we can see that it's just consolidating. And it did hit a low of 127 back in January. So you can see beginning of January, it rallied up. Beginning of February, it rallied up. And I'm thinking that in the next couple of weeks, it might have a mini rally just because it's been consolidating for so long. And we can see that the options chain here, a lot of people are buying call options. So this is the March 10th expiration dates, 16,000 volume traded for the 1.5 strike. And we can see that open interest is 24,911. So a lot of people are expecting the stock to go to 150 or higher. Even the 2 strike has 13,000. And we can see keep going down. People are still buying the 10 strike, 487 volume traded. And even the highs, which is 165 volume, the 14 strike. Those are going for $2. But you really have to have a short squeeze for that to even make money. And if you go further out to March 17, you can see still the 2 strike, 11,000. And we click here, 61,000 open interest. So people are expecting this or hoping that BBBY goes to 2 and above. But this can be very risky because it's very unpredictable when a stock will go up or down. So the best thing to do is give yourself plenty of time. If we take a look at April, so the 2 strike are going for $33, which still isn't bad. And if you want to really be on the safe side, I would consider maybe going for the January 2024. You can still see that people are still buying this. The 3 strike, 220 volume traded, and there's 15,000 open interest. And even if you go further out to a 20 strike, there's 63,000 open interest. And we take a look at this site, high short interest stocks, we can see that BBBY is number 2 and Silvergate is number 1 still. We can see BBBY has a short interest of 57.27%. Float is 113.56 million and 116.84 outstanding. And if we go further down here, we can see that AMC is at the very bottom, not at the very bottom, but the bottom, the list, with only 25.53% short interest. So we just need retail investors to save BBBY, just like they did with GameStop and AMC. I do believe that we might see a small rally soon, just because it's been consolidating. And usually when a stock consolidates, we might see a huge move, especially with all these call options. I mean, who would short at this price right now? No one. There's more reward to the upside than to the downside. And if you go to May, there's still people buying call options and the volume, very high volume. And if you really just want to be on the safe side, common shares is the way to go. But you can really make a lot of money with options. But just be very careful and don't over leverage. And that can be with anything. That can be with stocks, options, futures, anything in life. When you over leverage and it goes against you, it's not great. I had that happen before. And if we go further out, we can see there was a huge rally back in March. This is March, so remember, a year later, we are in March, and hopefully you can do the same thing like it did back in March of last year. And then again in August, it tried to break the 30, but couldn't. And right now, you can see that we are just consolidating. It hasn't really moved much, and it's been red for a very long time now. All we need is a lot of people, a lot of volume to push this stock up. So guys, who's with me? Who's still buying BBBY? And these call options, they're fairly cheap. So I'm looking at maybe the August 2023. I'm going to go for the 2 strike, which is going for $62 right now. So just bet what you can afford to lose. Still is number 2 in the high short interest, has a very high short interest. So there's a possibility of still a short squeeze. So guys, let me know if you guys are buying more BBY, and thanks for watching.